I was doing some sanding. I didn't do it all on video because you guys get bored. I figured I should do a little bit more. Check and see where I got the low spots. This is showing up as unsanded yet. Right now that's a low spot. Dusty stuff though, eh? I'm not wearing my dust mask. I'm not going to blow this off in the video. Trying not to raise too much dust. I'm really trying not to raise too much dust. Man, what is with you guys? Like really, this is how you do it. You want to do it. I mean, you can do it wet as well. I don't have a floor drain in here, and I blocked it wet before. And it keeps the dust right down, and you can see the shine, what you've got to work with. Right now I'm only in 180, so. But I'm trying to flatten this thing out. Look at that dust, eh? But it is what it is, right? That's how you flatten it out. That's why I use so much filler too, right? Like I put a skiff of filler here because I wasn't trying to fill it in with primer. I was trying to make it flat already. And it's still a little low. I'm going to do a bunch more blocking out here. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm actually making quite a bit of dust. I can see it in the air. And I should probably be wearing a dust mask. And I'm not going to do the whole I hope I've helped you learn something or made something easier to understand what you're doing or why you do something a certain way. Killing the time of day. You know what, back gets sore when I'm reaching over this, doing this, right? Especially if you're there for hours. I did quite a bit of blocking. There's still a couple of low spots, but not too bad. I could block them some more. Yeah, that's what she looks like now. You guys look like you're fuzzy. Like, why you got two shadows there? Like, are you okay? I've been doing a little bit of boarding with my longboard. I found a spot I'm not really happy with right here, and I've been working at it. As you can see, I got quite a pile of dust here. I haven't been blowing it off because I'm in the shop. I should probably be having my dust mask on right now because it is getting a bit dusty, but I'm going to show you what I was doing anyway. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but I'm not quite putting the board down because of the curve. And I'm trying not, if you ride the curve, right, then you dig a trough. That's why I'm doing that. Hard to do with one hand, but you get the idea. I'm going to set you guys down here. Switch views. This will make you straight. You should be straight. That's going to be beautiful, guys. I got a lot of work to do yet. Holy moly. But I'm blocking. Yeah. I hope you guys stay along for the ride. And I get this baby back on the road again. Man, I can hardly wait. I love this car. I got a little bit of work to do yet because I can't just put her back on the road. I got to show off my stuff again. And it's got to be beautiful again. And I'm going to make that beautiful too. That's for another video.